friends, my name is Julie Merck and I'm a volunteer for the Friends of the Domes. Today I wanted to share with you a short video on growing sprouts. It is an easy and inexpensive way to grow tasty fresh food year-round in your own kitchen. This jar, you'll see, not only is it ready to eat, but we've eaten about half of it. I wanted to show you the final product first so that you can see what you're going to end up with here. First of all, a little bit about the seeds that I use. I've been ordering seeds from Sprout House. There's other places you can order online. Alfalfa sprouts are a great way to start out. They're sweet and tender and tasty. They tend to sprout in about 3 to 4 days, so it's pretty quick to grow. There are also seed mixes as you get more adventurous. They include things like radish and fenugreek, and then you can also get into beans like mung beans. And you'll see that different seed companies even have different mixes of bean seeds and some of the bigger, meatier sprouts. This is a combination, mostly alfalfa sprout and a little bit of the mix, so I've got a little bit of radish and some of those other sprouts mixed in there. Super easy. All you do is you take about 3 tablespoons of sprouts. You don't want any more than that, otherwise your jar is going to get filled up really quickly. Add it to about a cup of water in a mason jar. Then you're going to need a sprouting lid. These are very inexpensive to order online. Since they are metal, you can run them through the dishwasher, which makes sure that your sprouts are going to be free from any contamination. You're not going to grow anything extra in your sprout jar. So I like to run them through the dishwasher. Screw it on. You can order the sprouting lids from Amazon or other websites, very inexpensive. Screw it on. You're going to give it a swirl, make sure those get soaking. Soak them for about 6 to 12 hours. I've left them even a little bit longer and they're fine. And then strain off the water. And then all you need to do is rinse them with cool water every morning and every night for about 3 days. This batch is about 2 days in. And as you can see, it's going to fill up the whole jar. I put it just under the lights in my kitchen. And these will be ready to eat in about a day or so. So when they have nice bright green leaves, they are delicious on salads, sandwiches, and wraps. And again, it's something that's easy and tasty to do year round to have fresh food right in your kitchen. So I really hope I've inspired you to grow sprouts. I love it. I think it's just a wonderful way to add fresh food to your diet very affordably. Enjoy. Thank you.